B&O Railroad Museum, Baltimore, Maryland. This is the birthplace of American railroading. Hey everyone, it's Nipa and Daniel again. All aboard. We're full steam ahead, chugging into railroad history at the B&O Museum in Baltimore. Come explore with us and experience the magic of railroading's past, present, and future. As we pull up, you can't miss it. The massive circular brick building is the historic B&O Roundhouse, a National Historic Landmark, and it's a testament to railroading's rich history. This isn't just any old building. This is where it all began. The first stone of the railroad was laid here, and this was the site of the nation's first mile of commercial railroad. It's hallowed ground for train enthusiasts. Stepping inside is like entering a cathedral of locomotives. The sheer scale of the roundhouse is breathtaking. The high ceilings and the circular layout, designed to allow trains to be turned and serviced, create an atmosphere that's both grand and intimate. It's easy to imagine the hustle and bustle of railroad workers from a century ago. We're immediately greeted by the stars of the show, the trains themselves. They have everything here, from some of the oldest surviving steam locomotives in the United States to massive, powerful engines that hauled freight across the country. It's like a timeline of American railroading right before your eyes. Let's take a look over here. This is the Tom Thumb, a replica of the original 1830 steam locomotive. Despite its small size, it represents the beginning of this incredible industry. Nearby, you'll find the B&O steam locomotive number 8, the John Hancock, built in 1836. It was in service for 56 years until its retirement in 1892. You'll also see the Atlantic on display, but did you know it's not the original? The original, built in 1830, was scrapped, but the museum has preserved its legacy by rebuilding and relettering the Andrew Jackson, a locomotive from the same era, built in 1836. And over there, you can see a beautifully restored passenger car. Imagine the people who traveled in these, the stories they could tell. One of the things I love about this museum is that it's not just about looking at trains. They have so many interactive exhibits that really bring the history to life. You can climb aboard some of the locomotives, see how the mechanics work, and learn about the impact of railroads on American society. They even have a behind-the-scenes look at their restoration projects, which is fascinating. You can see the painstaking work that goes into preserving these historic machines. history is pretty interesting too. It actually dates all the way back to the 1893 World's Columbian Exhibition in Chicago, where B&O showcased its cutting-edge achievements and innovations. 60 years later, the museum officially opened its doors in 1953, but it's gone through a lot of changes over the years, including renovations and becoming an independent nonprofit. They're even gearing up for the 200th anniversary of American railroading and the B&O's founding in 2027. Whether you're a die-hard train buff or just looking for a fun and educational day out with the family, the B&O Railroad Museum is definitely worth a visit. It's an iconic landmark, a treasure trove of history, and a celebration of American ingenuity. I hope you enjoyed this trip down memory rail. Thanks for riding along, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Bye!